Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Solid Explorer and granting storage permission so the app can read and write files. Once done, enable dual pane from the toolbar to work in two folders simultaneously. This speeds copying and comparing. Make sure to choose List or Grid View as your default because that affects preview density and taps per action. If you need root features, enable them only after you understand the security trade-offs. Otherwise, stick to regular mode for everyday file management. You now connect cloud storage and remote servers so files move without downloads. Tap the plus icon and choose Google Drive, Dropbox, SFTP, or SMB, then save each as a bookmark for quick access. Once connected, use dual pane to drag and drop files between local and remote locations. This avoids extra copying steps. For large transfers, compress folders into zip or 7Z or extract archives in place. Make sure to set encryption if you need privacy, because encrypted archives protect data during transfer. Finish by organizing. Create shortcuts, apply color labels, and add tags to folders you use daily so navigation is faster. Once you're satisfied, export your settings and bookmarks to a backup file. Enable the app lock or fingerprint to protect sensitive folders. If something goes wrong, like a sync or transfer failure, first check your account credentials, the network connection, and available storage quota. If that doesn't help, re-add the account or restart the app to reset session tokens and clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.